Hey everyone, it's CyberMinded here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to hide the administrator name when authenticating through user account control. This is a somewhat annoying feature that actually is enabled by default in Windows, so I'm going to show you how you can remove it. Um, Note that what I'm going to show you pertains just to a local machine, meaning that if you wanted to apply this fix across an entire domain, you'd actually have to go through group policy. But in this case, since I'm just on my local machine here, I'm going to show you how you can fix this on your local machine as well. So I'm currently signed into a standard user account. This is not an administrator account. And my user account control is also fully engaged, meaning that if I were to attempt to run any program as administrator, I would have to authenticate myself through the user account control window seen on the screen here. Now, as you can see, this prompt is asking me for the username and the password of the administrator, except for that it then provides me the account name of the administrator and only asks me for the password. This is a pretty significant cybersecurity risk and one that we should seek to mitigate by clearing out this username that is automatically shown. So I'm going to show you how you can remove this username from the prompt and actually prompt the basic user to enter in both the username and the password for a given administrator. So the first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to jump over to your administrative account because we do not have the appropriate permission level to make any of the changes we need to on our standard user account. So I'm going to go ahead and jump over to my local administrator account and I'll be right back. Alrighty, here I am on my administrator desktop. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go into the registry editor. And the fastest way to get there is to just go to the search and type Regedit and hit enter. Alrighty, so once you're inside registry editor, we'll want to locate the specific folder where we're going to be making these changes. And that folder, and I'll list the path on the screen here, is going to be inside the local machine directory path. So we'll click local machine, and then we'll go to software, Microsoft, scroll all the way down till we see Windows, CurrentVersion, scroll down some more, and policies. As you can see, we have a number of different folders here. We need one by the name of CredUI, C-R-E-D-U-I. As you can tell, that folder does not currently exist here, and so we will need to create it. So to do that, we'll just right-click on Policies, New, and then Key. So you can see it creates a new key, and we can now name it. We'll name it CredUI, just like that. And it's created. We can now start creating values inside of this key. And so the specific value that we want to create is a DWORD 32-bit value. Click DWORD. And we want to name it Enumerate Administrators. Just like that, Enumerate Administrators. And we want to make sure that the value of this DWORD is set to 0, as it currently is, so we'll just leave it like that. If we were to change it to a value of, say, 1, that would actually disable this service, and so that wouldn't do us any good. So we need the value enabled, so we'll leave it as 0. All right, now that we have created this new key, I'm going to go ahead and restart my machine and sign back into our standard user account, and we'll see if this worked. Alrighty, so we are back on the standard user account. And so when I try to open up any program as an administrator, I am now presented with this prompt here on the screen. And as you can tell, it no longer lists the username of the administrator, but instead asks us to provide that as well in addition to the password. And so this is definitely what we want. We do not want our standard users seeing the name of the administrator account. And so this is just another helpful way to mitigate our risk and build a healthy, secure cybersecurity program. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to leave a like, or if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond to them. Till then, I'll catch you guys next time.